Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have account access and two-factor ready. This prevents interruptions. Once signed in, open ChatGPT in a supported browser or the official app and load a clean conversation. Next, paste a concise prompt and include 1 or 2 expected response examples so the model knows format and tone. Make sure to set any constraints like length or style, then send the initial query to establish context and observe the first reply. Once you have a base reply, refine by asking targeted follow-ups that clarify ambiguous points and narrow scope. This reduces hallucination. Make sure to verify factual claims by requesting sources or asking the model to show its reasoning step by step. If format or tone is wrong, explicitly tell the model to match your example and regenerate only the section you need. Also, tweak settings like temperature to lower randomness if precision is essential. To finish, ask the model to produce a concise final version or a bullet summary that you can use immediately. This locks in format and clarity. Then copy or export the verified content and save the exact prompt and settings for reproducibility. If the model still misbehaves, reset the conversation, simplify your prompt to the core question, and try again. This single troubleshooting step often resolves context drift. If not, report the issue with examples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.